Hi guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. And today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Mokimo recipe. The ingredients that I'm going to use are a quarter kg of Irish potato or waru, a quarter kg of soft maize, and 4 pieces of pumpkin leaves. Let's get to the next step. First, I'm going to add some water in the cooking pot. Then I add the soft maize. Then I'll add potatoes. And I'll let them cook for some time. I'll cover and let them cook for some time until they are soft. At this stage, as it is boiling, I'm going to add my pumpkin leaves. So guys, they are ready. I'm going to switch off the gas, and then I'm going to remove the water and start mashing. In this next step, I'm going to remove it like that. And then I'm going to reduce some of the water, even some, all of it. Then I'm going to mash. If you have a blender, you can blend the pumpkin leaves. But if you don't have, don't worry. You can also boil with the waru or the Irish potato and the maize. So after mashing, I'm going to set it aside. In this next step, I've already added some cooking oil in the cooking pot. Then I'm going to add some salt. And some onions. I'm going to let it cook until brown. Our onions are ready. I'm going to remove them. So guys, here's our Mokimo. I'm going to add the brown onions. You can see. You can add. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.